Whenever you collect data in Microsoft Excel or in other program, you should always evaluate it for trends. In this video, I will show you how to examine your data visually by adding trend line to a chart. First of all, let's see and understand what exactly the trend line is. A trend line is a straight line that connects two or more price points and then extends into the future to act as a line of support or resistance, which means I can even extend my trend line into future results. Also, the trend line could be uptrend line or downtrend line. Now we will see how we can add a trend line to a graph in Excel. This is the Excel workbook that contains a set of data which indicates the distance that customer drove to come to a store and the corresponding amount that they spend on that particular trip for shopping in the store. So in the first case, the customer drove 1 mile and spent $35. The second also drove 1 mile and spent $13. As we further scroll down, you can see customers who drove 50 miles spent $75, $125, and $67. The data is summarized in XY scatter chart. What I would like to do is add a trend line that gives the best fit for miles driven versus amount spent. So Excel will perform this analysis mathematically and will display the results inside the chart as a line. To create this trend line, click the chart area and then click the Design Contextual tab. Then in the chart layout area of the ribbon, click the Add Chart element, point to trend line and click Linear. When you do, you will see that a trend line appears in the chart. What this indicates is the mathematical relationship between miles driven and amount spent. But let's say that we want to forecast the amount that will be spent by individuals that drive from farther away. For example, 200 or maybe even 300 miles. To do that, we can add a prediction or extension to the trend line. To do that, right-click the trend line and then click Format Trend Line. Doing so displays the Format Trend Line task pane. On the right side, scroll it down and you will see a forecast option. We want to forecast forward, so we go ahead and click in the forward period box. Backspace over the existing values and then type in the number of periods we would like to go forward. In this case, each period is 1 mile, so I will go ahead and type in 50 and press enter. So now you can see that individuals who drive just over 200 miles are likely to spend on average about $250 per trip. If the tendencies from the data that I have collected on the left side of the screen hold true for individuals who come from farther away, adding a trend line to a chart is a powerful way to visualize what your data would look like for unknown values beyond the range of what you have already measured.